welcome to my first ever Taiwan vlog. So in this vlog, I'll be moving to Taiwan. I'll let you guys know why when I'm settled down, but yeah, right now I'm kind of in a rush. I'm still in Hong Kong, as you can see. Just did my makeup, just finished packing, so probably gonna take a cab to the airport now because I'm already late. And yeah, see you guys later. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Here's the completed look. I guess like very light makeup. Actually, it's just my everyday makeup. If you want a tutorial, it's on my Instagram, so follow me. Anyway, I'll be like finishing up my packing now, and then we're gonna go off to the airport. Waiting for my boyfriend because he's supposed to pick me up, but obviously he's late. Yeah, can you tell him like I'm a little pissed off? Like he had one fucking job to do. Quite get to finish the vlog last night because we got back home, we ate, and then basically just went to sleep. I was so tired. So I guess I'll like let you guys know why I decided to move to Taiwan. Basically, my boyfriend works here now, and for the past half year, we've been doing long distance. So I decided to spend half my time in Hong Kong and half my time in Taiwan. I'm not ready to move here like full time just yet, just because I have a lot of work or commitments in Hong Kong that I'm not ready to give up. Yeah, I think it all works out in the end because when he moved here, I quit my job anyway, so I'm quite free. I can travel anytime I want. Yeah, I'll be here from now, this is December, until early February. I'll be back in Hong Kong for Chinese New Year. Since I just got here, today I'll be basically cleaning up the house, putting my stuff away, so come and pack with me. Okay, if you remember, last night I showed a small clip of the place before I got here, and this is what it looks like. This is all my mess. Gonna clean that out right now. And also here, my luggage, gonna unpack everything, so let's go. in Taiwan. Not much planned for today. I think we're just gonna go to IKEA to buy some furniture, and after that, if we still have time, I kind of want to look around the area where we live to see if there's any gyms I want to go to, because I feel like I'm just doing nothing, so I need to do some exercise. So hopefully I find one that's suitable for me and not too far. You can tell that I have a pimple here as well. Gonna get my period soon, so yeah. Okay, so see you guys later. We'll take you guys along with me. Let's go. And here's my outfit for today. So just a sweater and a cute skirt, because it's still warm enough to wear a skirt in Taiwan. And yeah, gonna make the most of it and look cute. Oh my god, it's like fucking hot today. It's super sunny. Should have worn like short sleeves or something. At least I got to wear my skirt. It's so good. Okay, that was like a fail because they only have yearly passes and I won't be here for that long. Plus, it's not really that cheap, so we're gonna look at the next got off this super dizzy bus. I swear I want to vomit every time I ride on Taiwanese buses, but yeah, we're here. Look. Ah. Okay, let's see what's different in Taiwan IKEA from Hong Kong IKEA. Oh my god, it's huge. Dude, the IKEA here is like insanely big. I've only ever been to the one in Causeway Bay, so this feels like crazy. They have like bentos and a lot of different types of food. And in Hong Kong, you only have like, I don't know, fish balls. Not fish balls, meatballs. now it's like 1.5 hours later and we just got home. So on the way back we also got dinner, and yeah, on that note I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope it's enough content for my first ever Taiwan vlog, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!